Okay, in this video, we're going to write the code that writes the text to the screen. So we're going to start out, we're going to add another variable. Notice our text string, it says assigned but not used yet. Well, we'll use it here. But here we're going to create a variable called a vector2. Vector2 is a number that actually has two different numbers in it. We're going to use it for an x and y position. So we're going to call this text pause for position underscore 01. Remember, there's two components to this. There's an x and a y. We'll assign those in just a second here. So we're going to come down to the update section here, and where we assigned our string to the hello there, we're going to say text position, text pause underscore 01 dot x. So that's the x component. We're going to set this to be 100, and then we're going to set the text position underscore 01 dot y equal to 100. And the screen 00 is in the upper left hand corner. So 100, 100 is still going to be kind of in the upper left hand corner, but just down and away a little bit. So that's that. And now we're going to come down to the draw method. This is where we're finally going to write the code. So we'll get rid of the comment there, sprite batch dot begin, open close paren and semicolon, sprite batch dot end, open close paren, semicolon. These are like the bookends of writing. The begin says we're going to start writing, end says we're done writing, and what we write goes in between. So we're going to do sprite batch dot and draw string. Notice there's draw and draw string. For a text string, we use draw string. And open paren. And look, you see we've got different versions of the parameters that we can use with this. We're going to talk a lot about those kinds of things later on. We're just going to start with this first one. The first parameter is the font. So font 01, it's the only font we have. Sometimes IntelliSense is a little in the way. And then the text string, which is text string, T-E-X-T, string 01, there we go, and comma, and then the position, so text pause 01. IntelliSense tries to help us out best it can, and comma, and then the color for the text, which we're just going to make this white, color dot, and you see there's all kinds of different colors that are built into the system. Just choose white, and close paren, and a semicolon, and there it is. And that's our lines that we need to draw to the screen. But notice, look just above there. See color.cornflower blue for the graphics device? That's the background color. We're going to change that later on too, or at least play around with changing it. Maybe the text color too. But now let's just run this, and let's see what we get. And there it is. That's the default font. Kind of small, kind of thin. Maybe we can change that too to a font that's a little more readable, and all that's still to come. So we'll just close, and that's it for now.